What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I'm going to show you what to do in case anything goes wrong with your Printful orders. Now, if you get enough orders, it's almost like inevitable that there could be some minor error that takes place in the picking, packing, I don't know, some phase of the fulfillment process. And this happened to me recently, not the first time, but then it dawned on me like I should make a video about this in case anybody else is experiencing the same thing. So if a customer reaches out to you and says something like they received the wrong product, or in my case that I just experienced, they received a XL shirt, like a size XL shirt instead of 2XL. And I said, well, they were nice about it. They said, hey, like if it fits, they're giving it as a gift. They said, if it fits, we'll just keep it. Ended up not fitting. So I had to report the problem to Printful. And this is the flow right here. So first things first, ask your customer to send pictures of the product, including if it's like the wrong design, just make sure the design's visible. If they have like the Printful packaging, that always helps, but it's not required. If it's the wrong size, just make sure that they can see like the tag. So they were very cooperative. Like on Etsy, man, customers are very nice. That's one thing on Amazon, customers are so stuck up, and on Etsy, generally speaking, from my limited experience, I guess I don't want to make huge generalizations, but Etsy customers are super nice in my experience. This was an Etsy customer. They sent 3 perfect photos. Then all you have to do is grab the order ID, which you can see on your communications through Etsy. Like if you're talking to a previous buyer, it'll say previous buyer. You can click the orders. You just grab the order ID, go to Printful, go to your orders tab, paste it into the search bar, hit search, pull up the order like this. It should say fulfilled at this point. But you can still click it and open it. And then you'll see here, I highlighted it in red, but it says problem report. So click the problem report button. And then the next thing you should see is this right here. Basically another pop-up just pops up, and under choose topic, hit I have a problem with an order I received. And then for the photos, just upload the photos of the wrong product and put a description of what went wrong. So I just uploaded the customer's photos, said that they received an XL instead of a 2XL. I also took a picture of the Etsy order itself, which shows the size being 2XL, so that there's no dispute there. But Printful also downloads that information from Etsy if your product is synced. So you don't need to do that because they'll get it. But I just made it easy on whatever customer support person got my case. And Printful's awesome. First of all, the fact that you can do this through the UI. You don't have to like go to write an email, because writing an email for some people might feel slower. This to me probably took the same amount of time. Either way, and you can just email support at Printful if you don't want to go through this route. But this works just as well. And this is more of a formalized workflow. They probably like this more. And yeah, so I submitted it, I explained the problem, and then I got this email back maybe a day later, if not less. And yeah, you can see they sent the customer a replacement, they expedite the shipping, they always make a priority of it so it gets created and shipped out quickly, and it's that simple, guys. So this is another reason why I recommend Printful as your print-on-demand production partner. You have choices. There are other You have other options. I don't even want to name them. Printful is my recommendation for the one you should partner with. This is just another reason why, customer service made easy. It's easy for you to do things like get replacements sent out. They'll own it up if it's their mistake. They mentioned that it's human error. Like someone has to go pick the right size and color t-shirt and, product type. In this case, they picked an XL instead of a 2XL. It's understandable. And yeah, so now you guys know, if a customer reaches out to you with any problems like this, don't hesitate to take care of the customer, and it doesn't always have to be at your expense. Like in this case, I don't have to pay anything extra. Printful's not billing me for this replacement, so just know that this is out there. Printful will take care of you because they care about their partners. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I will see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.